Are you currently having problems with Expedia? Sorry, we're having a problem on our end and you want to be able to fix it? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before, and I'm going to show you how I myself was able to fix it quite quickly. So what you're going to do actually is you're going to close your Expedia app, and then instead you're going to go into your settings app. So open up your settings app, and now you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see. And now what you're going to do on this page is to just scroll down a little bit until you can find where it says general. So click on general in here, and now you should be taken to this page. Now on this page, scroll down and click on storage. As you can see, you should now be taken here. Now we're just going to scroll down in here, then click on Expedia, as you can see, and now click on upload app, and then click on upload app once again. Just going to load a couple of seconds, then click on the blue button here, as you can see. And what will happen now is that, as you can see, the app is now loading, and it will actually auto update to the latest version now on our end, basically. So the app is going to now auto update to its latest version, and it's going to fix a lot of bugs that was in the previous one, because they're actually writing like this: sorry, we are having a problem on our end. And the problem is probably that you actually are not able to like get in because you have the last update, basically. So update your app. It's going to take a couple of seconds, maybe even a couple of minutes for it to update, and then this problem should now be fixed for you.